This is a 2019 Dodge Caravan GT, gray over black leather interior, power driver's seat, power windows, locks, heated power mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, home link for your garage door, Bluetooth for your cell phone, satellite radio, electronic climate control, heated seats, heated steering wheel, captain's chairs in the second row, dual power sliding doors, aluminum wheels, backup camera. There's a look at the storage behind the third row seats. Those seats fold down for additional storage. This vehicle is powered by a 3.6 liter six-cylinder engine, so it's got power. Like all pre-owned vehicles at Autonation Ford St. Pete, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.